we ordered something. And Mom, your fire's. And then we have this huge box. It's not heavy at all.
Oh, careful!
I'm holding it with my head. We're gonna see what's inside. It's not open yet. Oh, there we go. Oh my God! Oh, this is for Daddy. Okay, so I was mistaken. This one is mine. So we're gonna open it, and we're gonna see. Ooh, ooh, it's spicy. Oh, there's tape on it. Sorry. So I ordered these magnetic blocks. Oh. Flip. And here are some of the directions. And then this is like the bag or whatever. These are very dusty. There's a lot. It came out smaller than I thought, but it's fine. So let's play with it. So I got these magnet blocks here. So let's start simple, like a box. Mama, may pasalubong ko siya. $1 million. And here's the box. So this is a simple box. And then after the box, you can like decorate it. $1 million. To make it like cute little cabin. Like this. Oh my gosh. After that, you can start like building windows and other stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna build a huge little masterpiece. Try to squeeze this little guy. And we did it. We squeeze them. And we just have to I'm recording.
Nasa iyo pala, ha?
And then you're just gonna put that here. And then put this and that. And I broke it. Here's my little creation. I'm just gonna add that. Let's try picking. Oh no. Let's try picking it up. Oh no. Okay, so it has this. What am I supposed to do with this? Am I supposed to like do this?
nilipat ko. Pang labasan. Kasi, pag makanta ko sa punta ko ng BJ, nakasalubong ko na si Jerome. Dalaya na yung pang sinigang. Wala na. Tapos,
as long as it fits. Close it like that. Extra protection. This looks very cool. And there are some little directions to like make stuff here. So I really want to make one of these. It looks so cool. And I actually want to make one of these houses. They look adorable. Oh my gosh, there's fruit! Okay.